Designed for production quality control and any inspection application that uses an automated or manual microscope, PRECiV image analysis software makes it easy to perform precise, repetitive measurements or conduct reproducible complex image analysis and obtain results that comply with international standards. With an intuitive user interface, a suite of flexible, easy-to-use imaging and measurement tools, advanced image analysis tools including AI technology, and robust data sharing and security features, PRECiV software makes your workflow fast and efficient. PRECiV software enables users with any level of experience to easily acquire images and make repetitive 2D measurements. Intuitive navigation using large, clearly labeled buttons makes it simple to access the software's functions, while the customizable home screen puts your most commonly used features and functions front and center. The software enables you to control industrial and material science manual and semi-automated microscopes, as well as motorized XYZ devices for automated processes. It also supports a wide range of imaging conditions. The software's dedicated 2D measurement functions, such as auto edge detection to reliably measure the distance between 2 points and auxiliary lines to make complex geometric measurements, give you the tools to meet your production and inspection challenges. PRECiV True AI deep learning technology offers image analysis beyond classical algorithms. Apply a trained neural network to your samples to easily analyze complex images with greater reproducibility and robustness. With optional materials solutions, the software walks you through the steps required to acquire measurements that comply with the latest international standards. Images, data, or professional reports created inside the software can be easily exported. If needed, you can extend PRECiV software's functionality with customized software solutions, including XYZ motorized stage solutions. PRECiV software also supports macros to automate repetitive tasks and simplify workflows, making your work more efficient. And thanks to the software's connectivity features, you can save images, data, and reports to the cloud or a network drive to get the right information in front of the right person quickly and easily. Explore our next-generation PRECiV industrial imaging software for your everyday imaging tasks. Thanks for watching. For more information about Evident and our PRECiV software, visit evidentscientific.com.